Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. I got a big surprise, man. And this he's a fellow YouTuber. Been watching his channel. He makes really good content, and it'd be real informative. And I've been watching his channel for probably, I want to say about 4 months. But I'm not even gonna hold y'all up no more. I'm finna show y'all who it is. I want y'all to like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna give you all this information. I'm gonna try to drop his link below. And I'm just going to show y'all some of the stuff that I got going on and why he's here, because we discussing business. As always, y'all know anybody that's watching this channel is all about business and fun. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Yeah.
Yo, what up? You already know who it is. Your boy Penny LS1. Chopping up with my boy Blaze.
Yes, sir.
We got a lot coming, man. About to start doing a couple of collaborations. He got a Gbody, I got a Gbody. Team Gbody in the building. Man,
y'all know it, man. He came over here. And before we even get this video started, man, the first thing I want to do, I want to give you a gift, man.
Oh, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you coming through, man.
Ooh, yes, sir.
Oh, man, it's official. He repping for the team, man. He believing in the dream, man.
I like that.
Man, we finna do some big things.
Straight line custom.
Man, if you look at my logo, what do that S remind you of? You a Chevy guy?
You asking me?
Yeah, what the S come from?
That's the SS.
Off of what?
This Monte Carlo.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Hold on.
The Impala SS.
It's damn near close.
It's close.
Sure it is right.
But I'm saying,
yeah.
When my designer, I told him I wanted to do the SS off of the Impala SS, and how it shifts, how the S shifts on the SS Impala, because you know it shifts in the middle.
Yeah.
He put that together with the paint gun.
That's dope, though. I like
everything I do is inspired by cars. Like even on my intro, I was inspired by Paid in Full and the Dukes of Hazzard. Yes, sir. So everything I do is for a reason. But man, can you just run through kind of like what we was talking about? Because I mean, they can go watch your video and kind of see what we was talking about. But we was talking about doing.
So on this right here, we was talking about doing a little collaboration. He's watched my videos when I did my brake and my coilover upgrade. So we're gonna do the front brakes, coilovers. We're gonna go with the blazers for now. We can do the blazer spindle, the rotor, which will be a 2-piston rotor, and the caliper. I mean, a 2-piston caliper and then the rotor. And then we'll do the this conversion for the rear, so we can get rid of these drums, do coilovers in the back. And that way we can get that stance the way you want it. I know you say you didn't want to go big on the wheels, so you don't have to have the big wheel woods or anything big. The blazer will be sufficient. And then if you want, you can upgrade to the Corvette C5, which is what I also have. I just haven't installed it yet because I haven't got the wheels that I want. Okay. So be on the lookout for that, man. We're gonna definitely get that put together pretty soon.
Okay, most definitely. So we finna start working on this in 2022. Got this one. This is after we do my Banshee Slimer. I pulled some stuff out of storage. I got the rims down. I'm gonna take them to get them dismounted. Get ready to get some new tires. I still haven't did nothing with this one much, but got the plastics down, all the original plastics. Y'all see some right there, and I'm putting everything together to take it to the mechanic so he can finish putting the motor together. But Penny has plans to watch the Cowboys game go do a watch party. We were just talking about how straight the body is. I did pull the radiator and stuff. And this is the 305, the original motor. 305 high output. And I've just been taking my time doing a little at a time. We was discussing the plan.
You definitely got a clean slate.
Yeah, I had to bring my man in. This car, I know that he did. As you can see, like you could tell that, look at the spaghetti string wiring. And this is dated, the digital ballast.
Oh, okay, that's all, okay.
As you can see, this is all old and the wires are brittle. And it has a red ring around it.
All this, halo?
Yeah, it's red. But it's like the old school, like where you can almost see the individual beads.
Oh, I got you. Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Individual.
Yeah, I wasn't really feeling that.
Got you.
Yes, sir.
Fix that.
But this was going on in Straight Line Customs. I removed the nose. Yes, I do have the nose. It's here. As y'all can see, it is kind of cracked up. I'm trying to keep as many of the original panels as possible. Some things can't be saved. Some things are just better off replacing. I don't like when the nose don't fit. I'm really big on lines. And I want to make sure that the lines are as close, because a lot of people noses be shifted and looking funny. And I'm not doing none of that goofy shit over here. You know, it's nothing goofy. I want to be able to go to reputable car shows and hold my own, you know. But I discussed the plan with Penny. What are you thinking about the color combination I was telling you I want to do on it? Because I'm not telling my subscribers. I'm just going to show my subscribers.
Oh, so you want me to tell them?
I mean, I want your opinion on what I told you.
Based on what we discussed, like you say, you want to keep it truly original, but with a little, like what we call resto mod, restore it almost back to original factory, but then kind of have some modern upgrades. So that color combination that we was talking about with the interior, yeah, that's definitely gonna pop.
That's the first. You're one of the first people that's a true car guy that I shared the information with, and I just want your honest opinion.
Sure.
You're not capping, is you?
No, because even on my Monte Carlo, I was kind of just trying to figure out what color I want to do the interior, but I wanted to keep it, like you said, like close to original. And if I do something new or aftermarket, nothing crazy.
Why did you get rid of the Camaro seats?
I don't know. Actually, I had them. They were sitting in the house. Okay, I will say this. This was pre-COVID. This is all honest opinion. I got laid off from my job.
Okay.
So I had parts stacked up. My storage full of J's. Boy, it wasn't working. I was driving Uber.
Okay.
I started selling stuff.
Yeah.
I had them seats, and I kept looking at them. I said, man, I wonder how much I can get for these seats. They were leather, too.
Okay.
So I knew I could sell them.
What did they come out of?
They came out of a 2012 Camaro SS.
Okay, it's 2 SS.
I don't know.
I'm saying
well,
no,
yeah,
it
had to be.
It had the SS
had
in
the SS in the headrest. Yep.
Okay.
So they were leather, full control, power. And I put them on OfferUp.
You went and pulled them yourself?
No, I bought them. Did I get those
LKQ?
online? I got them off eBay, but they came from LKQ.
Okay.
Yep.
Because I know LKQ, they are everywhere and they have top-notch parts, but it's not cheap.
Yeah, no, I paid, to be honest, man, I paid close to $600. That
You got a good deal on
plus
it.
shipping, which was $150, I think.
Ooh.
And then I ended up selling them for like $250.
Okay.
But I bought them like 4 years.
When you
prior to
buy the seat, I was asking, did you pull them? Because I want to make sure that I cut the pigtails. I want the pigtails to be in there.
No, they didn't. It had the harness for the seat. It didn't have the other side, which is what we would need.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you do pull them, make sure you get that whole harness. If you're going to cut it, you're going to have to cut it long enough. That way we can, well, it ain't got to be super
I want those
long,
plastic pieces.
But that pin, you want the pin to be intact, and you want to cut it after that.
Okay.
That way we got all the wires we need to run it, because mine just came with the harness on the seat.
Because you can go to LKQ and have them. You could tell them specifically how you want it done,
cut, yep.
and that's how.
And I just ordered mine. They was already pulled, so when they shipped it to me, I noticed that when I got it. So
man, I ain't gonna lie. Right now, y'all don't understand how good I'm feeling to have somebody that just as passionate I am about these Gbodies. He got to get up out of here, but before he go, I got to show y'all what he's working on. He came Straight Line Customs. He seen what I got going on, which is not much. But I think he kind of like what I got going on in the train of thought that I'm on. But I'm going to flip y'all back around. And y'all see Blue Dream. She's still sitting here. Ain't nothing going on with her. I'm in the dually thing today. Like I was saying, I got all the parts loaded up. I had to get all my parts loaded up. She really, really dirty right now because I've been on the road with the 18-wheeler driving for the last 2 weeks. And just was parked at the yard full of dust and everything. But my man Penny, man. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what he got going on. This is what, 2014?
Yes, 2014 Malibu. It's pretty much a base model. It's an LS trim,
Okay.
which is what I wanted, especially as far as the stereo goes. I didn't want nothing crazy, you know, all that factory upgraded stereo. Because I just snatched everything out already.
Yeah, because you put in the doors?
So the doors, I got Scar audio, the front 6.5-inch components.
Okay.
The tweeter, I put in the stock location. Now the Scar tweeter was a little too big for that, so I had some focal tweeters that I took out of my other car. They fit in there. And then in the rear doors, they're Scar audio, but they're two-way coaxials.
Okay.
Yep.
You say in a whole different language. I don't even know what you're talking about. But he got a nice everyday, you know, we call them grocery getters, but it's definitely, man, a cool car. And he did the upgrade. He did the Android.
So this is I forgot the brand name, but as you can see, it doesn't have any branding on it. But I ordered it. Let me close the door so that glare. But I ordered it on Amazon, and it came straight from the manufacturer, which is Japan.
So it came with the actual kit, and it's all made for this car.
Specifically made for the car. The wiring harness was plug and play. I didn't have to cut and splice. The only thing I had to splice in was the wire to the backup camera. Okay,
because when I seen it, I was like, man, I seen your AC vents, and I'm like, how you gonna do the AC? And it's all integrated.
Yep, so the AC controls are all digital, which is cool, but it's taking me some time to get used to it. Like when you're driving, you know, you should just turn the knob or flipping the little toggle switch, but
it's a little bit more, it's a little longer process.
Yeah, so, but it's fully integrated. It has built-in Android audio and Apple CarPlay. That was the main reason I got it. But it is an Android unit, so you can connect it to a hotspot, which right now I use my phone. And then you can access the Google Play Store and download pretty much any app that you can get on a phone or a tablet, and you can run it on there, whether it be a weather app, maps, you know.
Was this really expensive to do? Like, because I mean, it's really clean. Like looking at it, what would you say if a person had to pay a person to do this, plus buy it? What you think they'd be in at?
If you were to go to a stereo shop and say, I want this Tesla style in my Malibu, the radio itself costs $600. So it was $595. You know, it was free shipping because I do Amazon Prime.
Okay.
But for somebody to install this, me knowing how easy it was, it probably shouldn't cost a lot. But I can tell you, they're probably going to charge you about $250 to $300. Okay. Just to put it in, because the average price of a standard stereo is like $150. Okay. But with newer vehicles, they tend to charge more. So something like this, just because of what it is, they're probably going to charge you about $250 to $300 just to put it in. And if you know nothing about car stereo, I would suggest you let a professional do it. Most definitely. Because you don't want to blow any fuses or regulators. Not regular. What's those things called? The circuit breakers. You don't want to blow none of that, because then you're gonna be at the dealership paying $1,000 to get something fixed that's not covering the warranty. Because like I said, I was like, oh shit, when he had all this off. Y'all need to watch this video, man. I mean, dude had everything off. It wasn't them just wires and clips, and then he had the speaker doors off. I seen him working on this one, and I ain't gonna lie, I'll start on your videos when you was doing this, and then for some odd reason I always go back to your Monte Carlo videos. Well, and I done watched all the Monte Carlo videos. I might be a few left on your channel I haven't watched, but I done watched the one where you did the suspension. I done watched that one about 4 or 5 times, and I done shared that one. Yeah. Because I seen where you did the brake calibers, when you painted them, the brake calibers when you painted them red. I seen you sanding them and painting them in your backyard and everything, and I seen. That's the first video I seen of yours, but then when you came back and you start putting the control arms on, and you know, that's when I started. That's one of my favorite videos. That's one of the most shared videos. But man, I'm finna go ahead and chop it up with him just a little bit more. But y'all see it, it's working. He just gave us a display of how everything goes. We're not trying to play any copyrighted music, but I did get a chance to hear it earlier, and I must say that those Scar speakers are a quality speaker. Never heard of it before he put it in there, but he was saying that it's a real reasonable speaker, and for the quality, you can't beat it. But I'm gonna go ahead and finna cut this off so he can get up out of here, but we got more coming. Y'all stay tuned. Yes sir.